Just driving north on 89 in Harrisville, Utah, and this is the weather on February 29th, 2012 at about 4:45 in the afternoon. Lovely. This just happened about 10 minutes ago. It started. You can hear the wind blowing quite heavily. It's blowing my truck all over the road. Can barely see. So I was going to try and make it into Ogden to buy some stuff, and I just decided I'm just going to go home and I'll have to get it later. We got a red light coming up. Barely see it. Yeah, it's almost a whiteout. So almost home.